Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today, I'm going to start a course on physics. So this course will pertain to class 11th. So in this course, I will, together with you students, discuss problems in physics, right? So this course will be based on the syllabus of class 11th, which is being taught in the schools and higher secondaries of our state in particular and in our country, India in general. So it will be helpful for all class 11 students of our country, and it will be helpful to also those students who are in colleges but they have not done their 11th class course in a proper way. Those college students who fear to or afraid of solving a problem in physics, it will be helpful for those as well. I hope you will enjoy the course. So we'll start it today. This is the first lecture of the course. So today I'm going to discuss a problem. I'll write a problem. But this is problem on conversion of units. Let me write a problem. I will name it problem 1. Right? Problem says this way. Any physical quantity can be multiplied by 1 without changing its value. For example, I will change the color. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 is equal to 60 seconds over 1 minute. Similarly, one foot is equal to 12 inch. So 1 is equal to 1 foot over 12 inch. Right? The problem says using appropriate conversion factors find part A, the speed in meters per second equivalent to 55 miles per hour. And part B of the problem says we have to find the volume in cubic centimeters of a tank that holds 16 gallons of gasoline. It's a very easy question, as you will see. I will repeat the question. Any physical quantity can be multiplied by 1 without changing its value. For example, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we can write 1 equal to 60 seconds over 1 minute. And we can write 1 equal to 1 foot over 12 inches, as 1 foot contains 12 inches. So after this information, the problem says use the appropriate units, conversion factors, appropriate conversion factors, and find the speed. So we are given speed in miles per hour. 55 miles per hour is our given speed. We have to convert it into meters per second. And we are given volume of 16 gallons of gasoline. We have to convert it into cubic centimeters. So let us move to the solution. We write it with another color. I think this one. So part A. So we need first some information. The information is 1 mile is equal to 1609 meters. So that we can write 1 equal to 1609 meter or mile. Simple. This 1 we are writing as 1609 meter or mile. This mile is a multiplier with 1, so we take it into the denominator. So 1 is 1609 meter or 1 mile, right? You can write here 1. And you know 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So you can write 1 equal to 1 over 3600 seconds. So this was information. Thus, speed, which is given speed 55 miles per hour. We'll multiply it by 1609 meter or 1 mile, right? And another 1 hour over 3600 seconds. We're simply multiplying by 2 ones, right? 1609 meter over 1 mile is 1 over 3600 seconds is 1, right? See what happens. It is very easy. This mile will go with this mile, right? And this hour will go with this hour. So what remains? Our unit is now in the numerator meter and in the denominator second. Now we have to adjust and find these numbers. We have to multiply 55 with 1609. Then we have to divide that with 3600, right? So when you do it, it will be 25 meter per second. So this is the answer for part A. 55 mile per hour speed is equal to 25 in the units of meter per second, right? So let us move to part B of the problem. First, you need this information. 1 fluid gallon is 31 cubic inches. 1 fluid gallon is 231 cubic inches. And you know 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, right? So thus volume is equal to, our volume is 16 gallon. So we multiply it by 231 inch cube over 1 gallon. And then we multiply it by 2.54 centimeter over 1 inch, and we cube that. See, our given volume is 16 gallon. Then I am multiplying it by 1. Since 1 fluid gallon is 231 cubic inches, therefore 231 cubic inches over 1 gallon is 1. So I'm multiplying it by 1. Then what I am doing, I am multiplying it by another 1, but I'm cubing that 1. Since 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter, therefore 2.54 centimeter over 1 inch is 1, right? And I cube that. 1 cube is also 1, right? I'm adjusting the things. See what will happen now. Let me use another color here. This gallon will go with this gallon, right? And in this denominator, you have 1 inch, then you have cube. So overall, it will become 1 inch cube. That inch cube will cancel with this inch cube. What will remain? We will get only the number in centimeter cube. So when you do the calculation, you multiply 16 by 231, then multiply that by 2.54 cube. When you do that, you will get 6.1 into 10 raised power 4 is 10 raised power 4 cubic centimeter. Let me encircle it. So our volume given volume was 16 gallon, and if you see the question, it says how much it is this volume. You have to convert the volume into the unit of cubic centimeters. So we got the answer in cubic centimeters. So in first, this is our answer. Our given speed was 55 miles per hour. We converted it into 25 meter per second. And the volume was in 16, given volume was 16 gallon. So we converted it into cubic centimeter. So 16 gallon is equal to 6.1 into 10 raised power 4 cubic centimeter. So you need to check the number. So you have to multiply, check this number at home. You need to note in these calculations how the unit conversion factors are inserted. How we inserted unit conversion factors so that we use these conversion factors in order to remove unwanted units and get the desired units. See here, I multiplied this by 1 so that I can get rid of this gallon. Then I got another thing, I wanted to get rid of this inch cube. I wanted centimeter cube, so I multiplied it by 1 cube. The same is the case here. I wanted to remove this hour and this mile. I wanted in the numerator meter, so I got meter. And in the denominator, I wanted second, so I got rid of this hour and I got second. In the numerator, I got rid of mile and got the meter. This is how we convert units. This is all for today. I will be doing this course in short lectures. Probably I may discuss one problem or two problems. This is the first lecture of this course. I hope you will enjoy it and it will be helpful for all students. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like it, subscribe it, and you can comment in the comment box as well. Thank you. God bless you.